Hello, kiddos, and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope you all are doing great today. I'm your teacher, Miss Hera, and today I'm here with a new sound for you. But before we learn our new sound, it's time to revise the previous sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. G, O, B, M, P, O, A, A, E, A, V, F, D, and kudos! I hope you remember all these sounds very well. And since you remember them, we need to learn something new. So let's learn our today's sound with the help of a story. Listen to the story carefully because the sound is hidden in the story as always, right? The west wind and the sun are having an argument about which of them is the strongest. The west wind says to the sun, "You see that man down there? I bet I can blow so hard that his coat comes off." The west wind blows and blows, wah, wah, wah. But the man hangs on to his warm coat. The harder the wind blows, the more tightly the man holds on his coat. "My turn, let me try," says the sun. The sun shines and shines, and the man gets warmer and warmer, then hotter and hotter. Then the man gets too hot and takes off his coat. "I win," smiles the sun, and the west wind storms off. Wah, wah, wah. Again by blowing the air out hardly. And this was our today's story. So did you find any sound in the story? Anything special? Yes, the blowing of the air by this west wind. Wah, wah, wah. This is our today's sound. And if you want to do the action for this, you need to blow onto your open hand as if you are the wind and feel the air on your fingertips, just like this boy. Squeeze your lips to make a whistle shape and say wah, 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 wah. Did you get the sound? And if you have got this, it is a time to write this sound in lines. Pick up your index finger and try to move it along with my finger. Make a slanting line down, slanting up, slanting line down, slanting line up. This is wah. Let's try it once again. You can write on your desk with the help of your finger. Go down, come up. Go down, come up. Wah, wah, wah. And remember that this is a short letter. You should write it only in the blue lines. Got it? And if you have learned it, take out your writing paper, or if you don't have this paper, you can use your 4-line notebook and let's write wah. I'm writing it once here. Go down, and up. Wah, wah, well, wah, wand, and wah, whale. Write wah here and then in the blue lines at the bottom. Don't forget to say the sound wah, wah, wah every time you write it. Now you can pause the video and finish this paper. Once you are done, let's go to our second activity paper. Here you know that you need to circle the pictures in which you hear wah, 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 right? So listen to the words carefully or you can pause the video and do it yourself. Wah, water, fire, water, fire, wah, water, wah. Zip, world, zip, world, wah, world, wah. Wig, torch, wah, wig, wah. Monkey, wheel, monkey, wheel, wah, wheel, wah. Web, lunchbox, web, lunchbox, wah, web. Kudos! That was easy peasy, wasn't it? If you have finished this, let's come to this activity page where we will check the pictures that have the sound in them and cross out the others. Ready? Wall, wall. Do you hear in wall? Check. Telephone, telephone. Nope. Wallet, wallet. Check. Lock? No. Lock. Letter, letter. Letter. We don't have sound in letter. Well, well. We do have the sound in well. And this is done. Now it's time to draw a picture here that has w sound in it. You can either draw a wall or a wallet or a well or just think what are the other things that have the w sound and try to draw them. Okay? Once you have drawn, you can go to the next part of the video, that is the most important part, and we call it the blending time. So let's get started. Try to blend these words. You can mute the video and try to read them yourself as well. The first one is w, e, w, g, wig. Quickly, wig. W, e, w, t, wet. Quickly, wet. W, e, w, b, web. Quickly, web. W, e, w, well. Quickly, well. And that was amazing. Well done. After blending, you know better, we go for segmenting, and I hope that you are just not scared of segmenting because I'm here to help you. Take out your notebooks, grab your pencils. We are going to sound out the words together and we'll write them down in the lines. Ready? Let's get started. The first word is wet. Wet. Sound it out, please. W, e, w, t. Wet. Let's write it down. W, e, w, t. Wet. Read it. W, e, wet. Wet. Yo, we did it. Next one is win. Win. W, e, w, n. Win. Let's write it. W, e, w, n. Win. Too good. Let's try the word weep. Weep. W, e, weep. Weep. Let's write it. W, e. Remember how do we write e? Yes, like this. Weep. Weep. And the last word is wind. Wind. Let's try to sound it out. W, e, w, n. Wind. Wind. Let's write it. W, e, w, n. Wind. Wind. Kudos! That is amazing. You can try to think some words that have W sound and try to spell them on your own. Okay? Now, since you have done something really great, we are here with a treat. In this paper, you just need to color in the pictures that have W sound in them. Let me say the names of these pictures once for you. Water bottle, bat, window, rabbit, watch. Now please say these words again yourself and color in the pictures which have the W sound in them. Okay? And at the end, I'm going to give you some homework, but you will enjoy doing it, right? So, our homework is you need to think of 5 things that have the W sound in them and try to draw them. You don't have to write or read anything, just think for words in which you have W and try to draw them. And now we have a fun activity. You need to make a magic wand and find things with the W sound with its help. You can make this magic wand with a straw and a paper star and then roam around in your house and try to find out things that have W sound with this magic wand. Right? That's all for our today's lesson. I hope you have got it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon with a new sound. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.